Frankee Connolly. Did you know that Frankee Connolly signed to Xenomania and took her first singing lessons and in that order? Tufted jay. Did you know that almost all members of a flock of tufted jays work together to build a nest? Sarah McCreanor. Did you know that Sarah McCreanor imitates objects under hydraulic presses through dance? Gilpatrick Hotel. Did you know that former U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt was shot in front of the Gilpatrick Hotel in 1912? Hammer throw. Did you know that Olympic hammer thrower Tamer Bulk was later cast in a movie as Tarzan? WXP-TV. Did you know that WXP-TV and WLNT, both on Channel and lost their Fox Broadcasting Company affiliations in 1990? Waken, Oman. Did you know that the mild climate in the remote mountain village of Waken, Oman in Oman allows the growth of fruits such as pomegranate in an otherwise hot and dry country? Brad Cragthorpe. Did you know that football player Brad Cragthorpe played in an exhibition game named after his grandfather? Leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video.